Hi everyone. This is quite a tough one today for me. I've got huge respect and admiration for all my viewers and subscribers. It's your comments and your interaction which actually drives the content that I produce on this channel, and that obviously drives road safety. But my primary concern is road safety, and if that means occasionally upsetting people, unfortunately that's what I'm going to do. And this might happen a little bit today with this viewer's clip. I'm not sure he's going to be too happy with what I've got to say. Let's have a look at it.
What we've got here is a residential area, and we see a traffic calming measure up ahead where the camera's car has priority. And it's the second car behind the one with its lights on that the camera is aggrieved about.
Now, I can sort of understand this clip from the viewer's perspective, and it happens to me on my daily drives with my learners all the time, that people just barge through when they haven't got priority. And usually what actually happens is that last vehicle doesn't see it's clear for themselves. They usually just tag on to the one in front, which maybe happened here. But there's a lot more to this clip than we've actually just seen. Firstly though, let's have a little look at what my viewer wrote.
Pretty obviously, I'm going to leave this anonymous, and I've blacked out a few things that literally no one needs to really know. So quite simply, he introduces himself and says that he's a local to the area and he's been learning since August 2009. He goes on to say, "I saw your YouTube videos, and as a more placid, patient, tolerant and overall good-natured driver, I am horrified and angered in equal measure at some of the negative experiences you have had both on your own and with a pupil. The BMW one was pure criminal. That's why BMW stands for, well, I'm not even reading that one out. I have one of my own you may not have seen before. Drivers are also clearly illiterate. Either that or certain models of car can make a driver feel invulnerable, or a feeling of superiority that means everyone has to give way to them as the better, bigger car. My old junior school was demolished and a new one built close to the road, next to the traffic calming measure. The westbound or oncoming traffic must stay behind the line and give way to the eastbound traffic. But numerous times I have seen drivers narrowly avoid me as I've approached from the west going east. I have a dashcam video of my own to show you one example. The car concerned is the Nissan behind the white BMW. What do you think?"
So as we can see, the driver is quite experienced. He's got 10 years with a licence. He obviously knows the area well and he went to school here, but honestly, we haven't seen the whole picture yet. So let me take it back a few seconds and let's do a little bit of analysis on what actually happened.
First things first, this road, as it rightly should be, is 20 miles an hour because it's going to go past a school. But just for a second, have a quick look to see exactly how fast the dash camera is going. And his speedo's probably going to be showing a couple of miles an hour more than that. He doesn't seem to be slowing down significantly either. This speed that he's carried throughout this section then makes it really difficult for the oncoming cars to judge when to go or not. And in any case, I don't think he was inconvenienced anyway. And even after all of this, his speed doesn't seem to be changing whatsoever still.
So for me, the camera's car is the cause of the problem. Did that final vehicle coming through the road narrowing cause any real danger or problems anyway? For me, no. And it amazes me how many drivers actually pointing the finger at others without taking a look at their own driving. And this is a common trait on our roads nowadays. Also, I'd like people not to be put off sending clips in. It's very, very rare that I get a clip sent in with someone of this attitude. I have had clips sent in where people have just held their hands up and said, I've made a mistake. And these are actually coming up in the next number of weeks. So if we all look at our own driving rather than lambasting others and pointing a finger, our roads are going to be a better place. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you all soon.